Hey, today is Thursday, the 12th of July, 2018. We had a customer that we installed some exterior shutters for, and she was waiting on some that were back ordered. Those are in, and I'm going to show you how to install them right after this. Okay, so when you're installing shutters on a home and you've already have pre-existing shutters, we put these up a couple weeks ago, but you didn't have enough shutters to finish the job. You want to make sure that the screw holes are all in the exact same distance from the ends on both shutters so everything matches. So the easiest way to do that is use a combination square, and you want it to hit the middle there and the middle here. You see how that when I put this right to the bottom of it, it's right in the middle of that. When I put it to the side, it's also right to the middle of that. So we'll take this, mark the new shutters, and pre-drill some holes, just to be on the safe side.
He's really checking.
Yeah, well, like you said, once you drill it, you drill it.
So your wife wants it like this?
Yeah, that was my interpretation.
Okay, yeah. She doesn't want the other one where this curve would be in here.
Yep, she doesn't want it to look like wings.
Okay, she wants it to look like this. Okay, we are golden then.
See, that's why I had a feeling she misunderstood what your question was.
So what we do is, you never measure to put shutters up. If you measure, you're going to be wrong. Siding might be crooked, something might be, the soffit at the top might be crooked, the aluminum might be crooked, anything might be crooked. So you hold it up and you have somebody stand back and look at it. And when it looks pleasing to the eye, that's where it goes. You do that for every shutter on every window. So here we go. Right there? Mm-hmm. And you put your screw through the cap and then into the shutter. Sometimes these caps pop off. When they do, you just snap them back on, like that. When you're tightening these screws, hold your finger off to the side so you can feel when it touches the siding. When it does, don't drive it in any further. Up?
Yes.
How much?
I'll tell you when. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Huh?
Can you move your bottom hand? Yeah, that looks right.
They decided that they wanted this curvature this way on the window. Their neighbor has it facing the other way, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. But neighbor also has a rounded window. They have rectangular windows here, so I took a picture of it both ways and sent it through text message to the wife who's at work, and she said she prefers it this way. So this is both sides of it here, and we did this window as well. We were here a couple weeks ago, but they didn't have the right size shutters for this window, so they had to order them. So this is last week we did that. We also painted, we took down the shutters from the shed, painted them to match the shutters on the house. As you can see here. Put shutters on the back of the garage here. Put up a new clothesline, which you see in the middle of the yard here. And put shutters on these windows, those windows. The window back here. There's even one in behind the tree. Up in there. There was a little bird living in that tree the last time I was here. Actually, I have a video of me picking him up off the ground because he fell and putting him back. It's alright, little guy. It's alright. Okay? I'm going to put you back in the tree, okay? I'll put you back up here. And now we're back in the front of the house. We did this window and we did a medallion because shutters would not fit on both sides of this window. So we got a medallion there. We also painted the doors this beautiful pinkish color. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And I invite you to subscribe if you liked watching this video or want to see more like it. Hit subscribe and then hit the little bell. You'll be notified when I upload more. I try to upload at least one per week. I told you I was going to show you what the neighbor's house looked like with the shutters facing the other direction. That's what this is here. As you can see, those wings on the top go out facing the opposite direction. Okay.